Hi everyone. Hi Himanshi, how are you? Hi Tanisha, I am all good. What about you? Hi Kaushik, a very good evening. Hi Raj Lakshmi. Josh is hi. Oh yeah, Tanisha. Hi Nazia. Hi Fazia Ali. Hi Harshit. Yes, I do remember you. You were also there in the 7 p.m. session. Hi Raj Lakshmi, I am all good, but I'm not a little not well. Hi Himanshi. Hi Siuli Methi. I am okay. Hi Kanishka. Hi Sashank. Hi Khushi. So hi everyone. A very good evening to everyone. So how are you guys? आप लोग कैसे हो? Hi Preet, a very good evening. Hi Methi. So how are you all? How was your day? आज का दिन कैसा गया आप लोगों का? Hi अनुराग. मस्त. Okay, Harshit. What about others? ठीक ठाक गया. Okay, Nazia. टेक उड़ान फास्टर. नींद आ रही है. आज तो मुझे भी आ रही है. Because I'm not feeling well today. तो आज तो बस ये है कि जल्दी से सो जाओ. Hi अमृता वर्षनी. Thank you राज लक्ष्मी. डिनर हो गया? No. नहीं हुआ डिनर. What is your name? My name is Sheetal Chaudhary. So hi everyone, this is MLA Sheetal Chaudhary, your accounts master teacher. This is MLA Sheetal Chaudhary, your accounts master teacher, and I welcome you all to our channel Vedantu Commerce. Now you all must be thinking, why MLA Sheetal Chaudhary? अभी तक तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं था, क्या मैम एकदम से MLA बन गई? So no, MLA means M for multi-talented, L for lion-hearted, and A for ambitious. M multi-talented, L lion-hearted, and A ambitious. So that's why from today I am MLA Sheetal Chaudhary. Hi Akash. So in this session, we will do practical questions starting with unfavorable cash book balance. तो आज हम क्या करेंगे? We will do practical questions starting with unfavorable balance. Thank you, Himanshi. So, ये हुई ना बात. More than 100 students of Vedantu had finally proved it that Vedantu is the new address of toppers. And if you also want to become a topper like them, then you can join our live and interactive courses, and the link is given below. If you want to join our live and interactive courses at Vedantu, then the link is provided in the description box. Hi Ayana. So this is your today's schedule, and you are having your 9 p.m. session with Sheetal Ma'am. And if you guys are new to our channel, और अगर अभी तक आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, then please take a moment to hit that red icon to subscribe our channel for more such videos. So do subscribe our channel for more such videos, and do like this video and do share it. So I would be really happy if you will take a moment to like this video, to hit the thumbs up button and share it. आकाश, पेटी कैश बुक, ट्रिपल कॉलम कैश बुक आपके सिलेबस में नहीं है. ट्रिपल कैश बुक is not in your syllabus. Petty cash book we will start soon. After this we will do subsidiary books. Hello Shrishti. कैसे हो? आज थोड़ा बेकार है, कफ है, गला खराब है, पर फिर भी दिल चिल्लाने से नहीं मानता है क्लास में. So, as you all already know that now Vedantu is also providing you VIP. तो अब वेदांतु आपको दे रहा है पढ़ाई के साथ इम्प्रूवमेंट की गारंटी. तो अगर आप लोग हमारे कोर्सेज लेते हैं तो उसके साथ आपको मिलती है गारंटी. The guarantee is that after taking our courses, there will be guaranteed improvement in your marks, in your performance. और अगर ऐसा नहीं होता, if there is no improvement in your performance after taking our courses, then don't worry, because in that case we will return your entire fees without asking a single question. तो अब वेदांतु आपको दे रहा है पढ़ाई के साथ इम्प्रूवमेंट की गारंटी. और क्या चाहिए, गारंटी मिल रही है बच्चों. I have tried Kadha once, but for some time it was okay. Then again, the same issue is there. So this is class 11th accountancy session. This is Udaan batch, and we all are ready to take उड़ान. तो हम लोग सब उड़ान भरने के लिए तैयार हैं. And if you guys want to become an expert in all these subjects, if you want to become a pro in all the subject, then you all may join my live and interactive courses. So if you are joining our live and interactive courses, then you will get all these benefits. You will get all these benefits in our classes. More than 5,000 hours of live courses. We are providing you more than 5,000 hours of live classes. आप कितनी भी live classes देख सकते हो हमारे साथ in this Pro Subscription. Then all these subjects will be covered, whether it is accounts, economics, business studies or mathematics. All these subjects are covered in detail with exclusive test series and with assignments. Then we promise that we will provide you best to best teachers for every single subject. For every subject you will be getting the best teacher of India at Vedantu. Then you may ask all your doubts also. So we are providing you live doubt solving. So if you have any doubts, you can ask it in this session. As you can ask your doubts here, you can also ask your doubts at Vedantu similarly. And it's so easy to attend our classes because now you may attend all the classes from your home by any device. तो आप कहीं से भी हमारी क्लासेस ले सकते हैं और किसी भी डिवाइस से हमारी क्लासेस ले सकते हैं. ये क्या होता है आकाश? I don't know it. What is it? So these are the features of Pro Subscription, and those who want to have these features, those who want to enjoy these features, do find the link in the description box and take it out quickly. तो जिसको Pro Subscription चाहिए जल्दी से description पे जाओ, link given है और ले लो Pro Subscription. Hi Astha, hi Yash. So the chapter that we will do in this session is BRS, Bank Reconciliation Statement. And the topic name is Practical Questions starting with Unfavourable Cash Book Balance. So we have done practical questions starting with Favourable Cash Book Balance, starting with Favourable Passbook Balance. So we have done the questions of favourable balances. Now we will do the questions of unfavourable balances. So are you guys ready for this session? Yes or no? Are you guys ready for this session? Yes or no? Okay. No, Kaushik, it is not possible for me to change the timings. Ready, super ready, ready with full josh. So everyone is ready, so let's start the session now. It's time to start the class. So we have one question for you. And the question is credit balance as per passbook. Credit balance as per passbook means favorable balance as per cash book, favorable balance as per passbook, unfavorable balance as per cash book, unfavorable balance as per passbook. What do you mean by credit balance of passbook? Credit balance of passbook means well done, the dead man. Congratulations. So we'll tell you the answer at the end of the session. Till then, let's keep it a suspense. We'll tell you the answer at the end of the session. Now, in the previous two classes, I have already explained the balances to you. Those who have not watched the previous classes, please do watch it as I have explained these tables twice. ये table मैंने first, second and third दोनों class में समझाई है. So I hope that you all remember the balances of cash book and passbook. Now we will directly jump to practical questions. We will directly jump to practical questions of this chapter. अब क्या करना है बच्चों? सबसे important चीज, just give me a second, some glitch. So let me disappear now. Aditi, there is time to go to depreciation. So now whenever again we will use our hands today. As we have used our hands in the previous classes, we will use it today also. Again, we will use our hands to solve these questions. But remember, no Kanishk, I'm not ignoring you. I have not taught any table first of all, Kanishk. I have always explained using the hands. And you are asking to explain some table which I haven't explained. If you are asking about format, I never suggest to learn that format. I always prefer to use your hands to solve the questions of BRS. So, but remember, when unfavorable balances are given, when unfavorable balances are given, we have to do opposite of what your hands are saying. We have to do opposite of what your hands are saying. So जब भी unfavorable balances given होते हैं, whenever the unfavorable balances are given, you will do opposite. I will explain this with the question also, but this is the rule. This is the rule or this is the trick to solve questions starting with unfavorable balances. तो जब भी unfavorable balance given है, you will do opposite. You will do opposite. And those who are new to my session, like Kanishk, you are new to my session, I request you to please watch the previous 3 classes of this chapter, because in case you haven't watched my previous classes, you will not get to understand what I am trying to say. So to understand what I am trying to say here, you have to watch my previous classes. Okay? So cash book credit balance is unfavorable balance. Cash book credit balance is unfavorable balance, and passbook debit balance is unfavorable balance. Passbook debit balance is unfavorable balance. So whenever the unfavorable balances are given, remember that you have to make opposite changes. You have to make opposite changes. आपको क्या करना है? उल्टे changes करने हैं. Now we'll start with the question. Question के साथ start करते हैं. First, let us prepare the format. Of bank reconciliation statement. So the format of BRS, is serial number, particulars, then plus item and minus items. Plus item and minus item. So this is the format of bank reconciliation statement. Serial number, particulars, plus item and minus item. Yes, lines got connected, but now it is okay. हो जाता है बच्चों, ऐसे बड़े बड़े शहरों में ऐसी छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती है. Lines are intersecting, but not now. So this is the format. Now let's start with the question. Prepare bank reconciliation statement. Of Messrs. AT from following information. From following information, we have to prepare the BRS. First is bank overdraft as per cash book. Bank overdraft as per cash book. Overdraft is also unfavorable balance. Overdraft means credit balance of cash book, unfavorable balance. So unfavorable balance is recorded on the negative side. Unfavorable balance is recorded on the negative side. So overdraft balance of cash book. Overdraft balance of cash book 45,000. Now the balance of cash book is given. So we have to make all the changes in cash book. And we will always do the opposite. In this question, we will do opposite always because the overdraft unfavorable balance is given. तो हम क्या करेंगे? हर बार opposite करेंगे. In every transaction, you will do the reverse because the unfavorable balance is given. Now what I mean by reverse, what I mean by opposite, let me show you one transaction. So the first transaction that we have is check issued but not presented for payment 17,500. This is cash book, this is passbook. Cash book, passbook. Check is issued. Check is issued means subtracted from cash book, but not yet presented for payment, so it is not recorded in passbook. It is not recorded in passbook. Now we have to make all the changes in cash book. We have to make changes in the cash book. So what you will do in cash book to make it equal? What you will do in cash book to make it equal? In cash book we have to add to make them equal. In cash book we have to add to make it equal. But we will do the opposite. We will do the opposite. So it is to be added and the opposite will be subtracted. तो जहाँ add होना है वहाँ minus कर देना, जहाँ minus होना है वहाँ add कर देना. So we will do the opposite. It is to be added but we will subtract. So it will be recorded on negative side. तनीषा अपोजिट आपको नेगेटिव बैलेंस गिवन है, आपको अनफेवरेबल बैलेंस गिवन है, तो आपने क्या करना है, कैश बुक में आप क्या चेंजेस करोगे कि वो पासबुक के बराबर आ जाए, आप उसको ऐड करोगे. अब अपोजिट क्या होगा? द अपोजिट ऑफ ऐड इज माइनस. द अपोजिट ऑफ ऐड इज माइनस. तो ऐड का अपोजिट क्या होगा? माइनस. माइनस का अपोजिट क्या होगा? ऐड. तो इट विल बी सब्ट्रैक्टेड. Check issued but not presented for payment. Check issued but not presented for payment. It will be subtracted 17,500. मैम तब तो हमारा कभी भी इक्वल नहीं होगा. इक्वल हो जाएगा बेटा, बिकॉज अनफेवरेबल बैलेंस गिवन है. इक्वल हो जाएगा. We have to make all the changes in cash book only because the cash book balance is given. आदित्य आप सारे changes cash book में ही करोगे and you will do opposite only because the unfavorable balance is given. So, अब बहुत सारे बच्चे बोल रहे हैं माइनस क्यों कर रहे हैं. बहुत सारे बच्चे बोल रहे हैं हम माइनस क्यों कर रहे हैं. तो आपको लग रहा है कि आप माइनस कर रहे हो, आपको लग रहा है कि आप माइनस कर रहे हो, लेकिन द बैलेंस, द स्टार्टिंग बैलेंस इज माइनस 45,000. द स्टार्टिंग बैलेंस इज माइनस 45,000 और आप कह रहे हो कि आप इसको माइनस कर रहे हो. एंड यू नो द मैथ्स, माइनस माइनस इज एडेड. माइनस माइनस मीन्स प्लस. तो आपके हिसाब से वो माइनस हो रहा है, लेकिन इन रियलिटी इट इज एडेड ओनली गाइस. क्योंकि साइन नेगेटिव है इसीलिए आप अपोजिट कर रहे हो, लेकिन जो ट्रीटमेंट हो रही है वो ऐड ही हो रहा है. अगर आप इसको प्लस करोगे तो प्लस माइनस विल बी माइनस. प्लस माइनस विल बी माइनस. तो हमें प्लस नहीं करना, हमें माइनस करना है. वी हैव टू डू अपोजिट बिकॉज द स्टार्टिंग बैलेंस इज नेगेटिव. स्टार्टिंग बैलेंस इज नेगेटिव. तो आंसर हमेशा सेम इक्वल आएगा. इतना बड़ा जोड़, यस इतना बड़ा जोड़. तभी तो बोला अनफेवरेबल बैलेंस है ना, इसीलिए हम अपोजिट कर रहे हैं. ओके हिमांशी, नो इश्यूज. सो आई होप कि अब आपको समझ आ गया होगा कि आपको लग रहा है कि हम लोग ऐड करने की जगह माइनस कर रहे हैं. हमें करना तो ऐड था मैम, लेकिन हम माइनस क्यों कर रहे हैं? वाई वी आर डूइंग अपोजिट? बिकॉज साइंस मैटर्स. माइनस माइनस प्लस, प्लस माइनस माइनस, दैट साइन मैटर्स. तो इसीलिए हम लोग अपोजिट कर रहे हैं. समझ आ गया? चलिए चलते हैं अगली ट्रांजैक्शन पे. लेट्स कम टू दी नेक्स्ट ट्रांजैक्शन. दिखता कुछ है और होता कुछ है. करेक्ट. The next we have is check deposited. Check deposited but not yet collected by bank. So cash book, passbook. फॉजिया डिफिकल्ट नहीं है बेटा. आपने जैसे लास्ट क्लास में हैंड्स का यूज किया था, यू हैव टू यूज दी हैंड्स इन सिमिलर मैनर. बस आपको अब अपोजिट करना है, अपोजिट करना है और कुछ नहीं करना. सो कैश बुक, passbook, cash book, passbook. Check deposited. So cash book is increased. Check is deposited in the cash book, but it is not yet collected by bank. Passbook में वो रिकॉर्ड नहीं हुआ. Passbook में वो रिकॉर्ड नहीं हुआ. So we have to make all the changes in cash book. We have to make all the changes in cash book. सो कैश बुक में से हम लोग क्या करेंगे? माइनस करेंगे टू मेक इट इक्वल. फ्रॉम कैश बुक वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट इट टू मेक इट इक्वल. एंड द अपोजिट ऑफ सब्ट्रैक्ट इज, द अपोजिट ऑफ सब्ट्रैक्ट इज ऐड. द अपोजिट ऑफ सब्ट्रैक्ट इज ऐड. इन रियलिटी इट इज टू बी सब्ट्रैक्टेड. इन रियलिटी इट इज टू बी सब्ट्रैक्टेड. But as the unfavorable balance is given, you will do opposite. You will add 9600. So check deposited but not collected. Check deposited but not collected. We will add how much? 9600. We will add 9600. We will add 9600. So plus side 9600. आकाश, आपने चेक डिपॉजिट किया. आपने चेक डिपॉजिट किया. आपने कैश बुक में बैलेंस बढ़ा दिया. चेक डिपॉजिटेड मीन्स कैश बुक में रिकॉर्ड कर लिया. कैश बुक इज इंक्रीज्ड. But it is not yet collected by bank. It is not yet collected by bank. It is not recorded in the passbook. Passbook में record नहीं हुआ. And we have to make all the changes in cash book. तो cash book में क्या करो ऐसा कि passbook के बराबर आ जाए? तो cash book में से क्या करेंगे? माइनस कर देंगे. cash book में से माइनस कर देंगे तो ये दोनों बुक्स बराबर हो जाएंगे. एंड दी अपोजिट ऑफ माइनस, हमें क्या करना है? अपोजिट. तो माइनस का अपोजिट क्या है? प्लस. तो आप इसको ऐड करोगे. आदित्य बेटा, चलो मान लेते हैं कि आपको माइनस करना है, आप माइनस ही करोगे. ठीक है. आप लोग बोल रहे हो हम क्यों अपोजिट कर रहे हैं, क्यों ऐड कर रहे हैं? तो आपका जो अनफेवरेबल बैलेंस है, आपका जो अनफेवरेबल बैलेंस है, इट इज माइनस 45,000. एंड इफ यू विल सब्ट्रैक्ट दिस 9600, if you will subtract this 9600, minus minus is added, minus minus is added. So this 9600 is getting added. अगर आप इसको माइनस करोगे तो अकॉर्डिंग टू साइंस इट इज एडेड. Therefore I am saying to do the opposite. तभी बोल रही हूँ कि अपोजिट करो. अब आप क्या करोगे? माइनस की जगह अपोजिट ऐड करोगे. And minus plus, plus minus is minus. So now it is subtracted. Now it is subtracted. तो अनफेवरेबल में उल्टा ही होता है बच्चों. अनफेवरेबल में उल्टा होता है. There is very much there is a crucial role of these signs. तो यहाँ पे साइंस जो है वो बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. आप माइनस करोगे तो ऐड होगा, ऐड करोगे तो माइनस होगा. यहाँ उल्टा होता है. आपको लग रहा है कि आप ऐड कर रहे हो लेकिन एक्चुअल में वो माइनस हो रहा है. प्लस माइनस इज माइनस. यू आर एडिंग दैट 9600 बट इन एक्चुअल इट इज गेटिंग सब्ट्रैक्टेड. तो आपको लग रहा है कि हाँ यार हमने उल्टा किया है. वी आर डूइंग अपोजिट, वी आर एडिंग इट. But according to science, it is subtracted only. Plus minus is minus. तो हो माइनस ही रहा है लेकिन आपको ऐड करना पड़ेगा. So I can't explain this much better than this. The only thing you have to learn is do opposite. This is the only rule which I can tell to you. Do opposite when unfavorable balances are given. उल्टा करो, सब कुछ सही होगा. So coming to the next transaction now. The next transaction that we have is BRS mathematician ने बनाया होगा maybe. तो मैम जो बुक और गूगल में दिया है तो उसके मैम किसके माने आप बताओ. I am not getting you Aditya, I am not getting you. अभी मुझे सिर्फ इतना पता है कि कैश बुक का बैलेंस गिवन है और मैंने आपको हमेशा ये समझाया है कि कैश बुक का बैलेंस गिवन है तो कैश बुक में चेंजेस होंगे. पासबुक का बैलेंस गिवन है तो पासबुक में चेंजेस होंगे. तो अभी कैश बुक का बैलेंस गिवन है तो हम कैश बुक में सारे चेंजेस करेंगे. We will make all the changes in cash book. So the next transaction is interest on investment collected by bank. Interest on investment collected by bank. Cash book, passbook. Cash book, passbook. Now, interest is collected by bank. Interest is collected by bank. So passbook is increased. Passbook is increased. Interest किसने लिया? बैंक ने लिया. तो passbook is increased. Cash book, it is not recorded in cash book. Now what you will do in cash book? What you will do in cash book to make it equal to passbook? क्या करोगे कैश बुक में? We will add in the cash book to make it equal. We have to add in the cash book to make it equal. And the opposite of add is minus. Opposite of add is minus. So add होना चाहिए लेकिन unfavorable balance given है तो हम लोग opposite करेंगे, minus करेंगे. So interest on investment collected by bank, we will subtract 2300. We will subtract 2300. And the last we have is bank charges debited by the bank, not yet recorded in the cash book. Bank charges debited by the bank. बैंक का डेबिट मतलब डिक्रीज. बैंक का डेबिट मतलब डिक्रीज बिकॉज बैंक फॉलो दी लाइबिलिटी अप्रोच. बैंक कौन सी अप्रोच फॉलो करता है? लाइबिलिटी. तो बैंक ने आपके अकाउंट में से 350 काट लिए. Your passbook is decreased by 350 because of bank charges. Now in cash book we have to make changes. So in cash book we have to subtract. In cash book we have to subtract. But we will do opposite. We will do opposite. So instead of subtracting, you will add. Instead of subtracting, you will add. So bank charges debited by bank. Bank charges debited by bank. It will be added 350. It will be added 350. समझ आ गया मतलब? थोड़ा टफ क्वेश्चन लाओ, ये सब इजी है. So well done, those who have answered. Well done, Fazia Ali. Well done, Deadman, Geet, Tanisha, Akash. Well done, guys. You all have given the right answers. Congratulations. हाँ आकाश, थोड़ी देर पहले समझ नहीं आ रहा था, अब ये इजी हो गया. Chicken tikka clear. Okay. So now we have to find the balance. समझ आता है तो इजी लगता है. यस, समझ आएगा तो मजा आएगा. तो चलिए अब हम लोग बैलेंस फाइंड आउट करेंगे. वी विल फाइंड आउट द बैलेंस. सो फाइंड आउट द टोटल ऑफ प्लस आइटम, फाइंड आउट द टोटल ऑफ माइनस आइटम, find out the total of plus item and find out the total of minus item. So 45,000 plus 17,500 plus 2,300. The total of minus item is 64,800 and the total of plus item is 9,950. So minus side is more, guys. Minus side is more. And we have to write the balance on the shorter side. We have to write the balance on the shorter side. So 64,800 minus 9,950. Your balance is 54,850. This is your balance. This is your unfavorable balance of cash book. This is your unfavorable balance of passbook. Sorry. This is unfavorable balance of passbook. So this is your answer. Is this clear? Yes or no? समझ आया? Is this clear, guys? Yes or no? अरे आप तो अपनी बातों में लग गए. आई एम आस्किंग, इज दिस क्लियर और नॉट? बैलेंस गलत साइड लिखा, मैम ने एक नंबर काट लिया. दे विल डिडक्ट इट. टीचर्स को बस मौका चाहिए होता है, बस मार्क्स काटने का. वो मौका दोगे तो दे विल सब्ट्रैक्ट इट फॉर श्योर. Aditya, please do me a favor. Can you check in DK Goyal right now that they have add issued check in plus item in overdraft facility? Issued check in plus item. Issued check plus, it has to be subtracted enough. And I request you to please check that whether the balance of cash book is given or passbook is given. Because if the overdraft balance of cash book is given, then it will be subtracted. But if the overdraft balance of passbook is given, Aditya, then it will be added. So in this question, I am sure that definitely the balance of passbook is given. That's why it is added only. Because if the balance of cash book is given, then it is to be subtracted for sure. Okay. Then there is some error. There is some error. So now you guys can see your answer. You guys can see your answer. Was your answer correct? हमारा same answer आया था क्या? थोड़ा सा अलग हमारा आंसर क्यों आया है? What we have done? कहाँ गलती करी है हम लोगों ने? Okay. This was 45,500. The balance is 45,500. एक मिनट. Okay, so यहाँ पर it is 45,000. Let me correct it. The starting overdraft balance is 4,500. $45,000. This is the starting balance. And the ending answer is 54,850. So यहाँ पे भी change कर देते हैं. Yes. So this is the answer. There was error by 500, which I have corrected now. मैम मतलब मेन बुक में हर क्वेश्चन में एरर है मैम. हर क्वेश्चन में तो नहीं बोल सकते, बट इस वाले क्वेश्चन में एरर है. बिकॉज अगर कैश बुक का ओवरड्राफ्ट बैलेंस गिवन है एंड चेक इशूड इज नॉट प्रेजेंटेड फॉर पेमेंट, चेक इशूड इज नॉट प्रेजेंटेड फॉर पेमेंट, देन इट हैज टू बी सब्ट्रैक्टेड. तो वो माइनस होगा, ऐड नहीं होगा. पीडीएफ वालों का कैलकुलेटर खराब है. इट मे बी समटाइम्स उनके पास बहुत सारा काम होता है, तो इट मे गेट मिस प्रिंटेड ना. कैलकुलेटर सही है, उन्होंने 45,500 रिकॉर्ड किया था, तो 500 ज़्यादा रिकॉर्ड किया था, तो आंसर 500 की गड़बड़ थी. आज था बेटा नहीं. आई एम नॉट इग्नोरिंग यू. मैंने किसी का भी मैसेज का रिप्लाई नहीं किया अभी तक. अभी सिर्फ आदित्य के डाउट पे थोड़ा ज़्यादा ध्यान था. बहुत बुरा लगा मैम. ओके, मैं क्या डायरेक्टली सेकंड क्वेश्चन पे आ गई क्या मैं? एक मिनट. यस, सो वी हैव वन मोर क्वेश्चन. हम लोग ने डायरेक्ट सेकंड क्वेश्चन कर लिया. नाउ वी विल कम टू द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. देयर इज वन मोर क्वेश्चन एंड दिस इज योर क्वेश्चन. दिस इज योर क्वेश्चन. So the question is the cash book credit balance is given 6,500. The credit balance of cash book is given. The unfavorable balance of cash book is given 6,500. So yes, you guys will solve it. You guys may solve it. We will record this unfavorable balance in the minus column. We will record this on the minus item. Now the next transaction is check amounting to 3,500 deposited in the bank, but they were not collected by the bank. Check amounting to 3,500 deposited in the bank, but they were not collected by the bank. What will happen with the 3,500? Whether it will be added or subtracted. 3,500. Lovely. Wait. Oh, dead man. You are answering so quickly. Please wait for a few minutes. And yeah guys, congratulations to everyone. Well done. A huge round of applause for everyone. Well done Aditya, Fozia, Tanisha, Deadman. Well done Krish, Shashank, Aditya, Tanisha. Well done guys. Congratulations. अपने लिए एक जोर से ताली बजाओ सब लोग. सबने सही आंसर दिया. Congratulations to everyone. तो चलिए, मेरा फर्ज है मैं भी बता देती हूँ आंसर. आप लोगों ने तो बता दिया. कैश बुक, पासबुक, कैश बुक, पासबुक. चेक डिपॉजिटेड बट नॉट कलेक्टेड बाय बैंक. तो पासबुक में वो रिकॉर्ड नहीं हुआ, पासबुक में रिकॉर्ड नहीं हुआ, कैश बुक इंक्रीज हो चुकी है। अब हमें चेंजेस किस में करने हैं? कैश बुक में. वी हैव टू मेक चेंजेस इन कैश बुक. So in cash book you have to subtract to make it equal. In cash book we have to subtract to make it equal, and opposite of subtract will be added. Opposite of subtract will be added. तो yes, हमें करना था माइनस, लेकिन अनफेवरेबल बैलेंस गिवन है तो हम क्या करेंगे? अपोजिट ऐड कर देंगे. Thank you, Fawzia Ali. Thank you so much. This means a lot to me. Now the second is firm issued check of 1,000. Check issued 1,000 which were not presented for payment. Which were not presented for payment. Check issued 1,000 which were not presented for payment. तो क्या होगा? What will happen? Thank you, Tanisha. Thank you so much. Yes, lovely. You have solved the entire question. So well done, Dead Man. Well done, Shashank. Well done, Fawzia Ali. Well done, Krish. Well done, lovely Tanisha, Nazia, आस्था. वेल डन गाइस, कूडोस टू एवरीवन. तो यस, अभी हमने एक नई तरीके की क्लैप सीखी है, सो विल डू दैट फॉर यू नाउ. सो इट इज अ रोलर कोस्टर क्लैप. सो द क्लैप इज, आई एम वेयरिंग माय बेल्ट and I am ready to start the ride. So zoo and clap. So congratulations everyone, well done, you all have answered it correct. अब हम समझा देते हैं इसे. तो this is cash book, this is passbook. Cash book, passbook. We issued a check. So the balance of cash book is decreased. But in passbook, it is not presented for payment. In passbook, it is not presented for payment. So you have to make changes in the cash book. We have to make changes in the cash book. In cash book, we will add. In cash book, we have to add. But we will do opposite. So instead of adding, we will subtract. Instead of adding, we will do opposite. We will subtract. किस बात पे हंस रहे हैं आप लोग? आकाश बेटा, क्या समझ नहीं आया? आकाश, क्या समझ नहीं आया बेटा? आपने चेक इशू किया, कैश बुक कम हो गई. पासबुक में अभी तक चेक इशू नहीं हुआ है. अब कैश बुक क्या हो चुकी है? कम हो चुकी है. तो आप क्या करोगे? कैश बुक में चेंजेस करोगे. कैश बुक में हमें क्या करना है? ऐड करना है. वी हैव टू ऐड इन कैश बुक टू मेक इट इक्वल. We have to add, and the opposite of add will be minus. The opposite of add will be minus. आ गया ये सब, ऐसे ही बोल रहे हैं. ओके, ऐसे मत बोलो बच्चों. Don't pull his leg. The next we have is there was a debit in the passbook. बैंक पासबुक ने क्या किया? डेबिट किया. There was a debit in the passbook, 200 for interest and 400 for bank charges. There was a debit, there was a decrease in passbook, 200 for interest, 400 for bank charges. We have so many answers. Congratulations, Shashank, Nazia, Fazia. Well done, lovely. Krish, Nazia, Geet. You all have answered it correct. Muzib, Nandini, Khushi, Aditya, Asta. Well done, guys. Again, you all have answered it correct. So, congratulations to everyone. Again, a huge round of applause. So, there was a debit in the passbook. Debit in passbook means passbook is decreasing. Passbook is decreasing. Passbook is decreased by 200 for interest and it is decreased by 400 for bank charges. Passbook is decreased by 200 and 400. 200 and 400. Now we have to make changes in the cash book. We have to make changes in the cash book. So in cash book we have to subtract. In cash book we have to subtract. But we will do the opposite. We will do the opposite. So we will add. We will add. So 200 and 400, 600 will be added. 600 will be added. मजा आया? Well done, Nazia. So here you guys can see your answer. तो यहाँ पर आप अपना आंसर देख सकते हैं. 3500 and 600 is added and 1000 is subtracted. 1000 is subtracted. Now we will find out the balance. We will find out the balance. So 7500 minus 4100. This is your balance of passbook. This is your balance of passbook. Well done, Aditya. Good to see that you have done all the practical questions of DK. So great. Yes, lovely. Well done, lovely. You have even calculated the final balance. So is this clear to all my students? Yes or no? समझ आया कि unfavorable balance given है तो question कैसे solve करना है? Is this clear? School reopening, so you will be loving it now because it's been a long time now. बाहर की दुनिया नहीं देखी, अब दोबारा से स्कूल खुलेंगे, वो माहौल दोबारा से मिलेगा. गेम बच्चों, आज तो गेम नहीं है, आज तो कोई पिक्चर्स याद नहीं है. मूवी का नाम याद नहीं है. आई कैन ड्रॉ पिक्चर, तो आज गेम नहीं खेल पाएंगे. एंड द आंसर ऑफ द क्विज वाज, तो ये वाला क्वेश्चन तो हम लोग कर चुके हैं. द आंसर ऑफ क्विज वाज बी. The credit balance of passbook is known as favorable balance of passbook. Credit balance of passbook is the favorable balance of passbook. And इसके साथ आपकी आज की क्लास समाप्त होती है. तो आज की क्लास यहीं खत्म होती है बच्चों. 1 सितंबर से स्कूल भी खुल रहे हैं. It's good to, I hope कि you are enjoying it ना. आपको मजे आ रहा होगा उसको सोच के. You are excited for your school opening. बिकॉज घर बैठे बैठे बहुत ज़्यादा परेशान मैं तो हो गई. अगर कोई मुझे स्कूल भेजेगा, आई विल बी डेफिनेटली रेडी टू गो टू स्कूल. मुझे तो बस बाहर जाने के लिए रीज़न चाहिए, मिलता ही नहीं है. पर हैव यू एवर विजिटेड तमिलनाडु मैम? नो, नॉट येट. थैंक यू फौजिया, थैंक यू सो मच. You have taken 1 month to match your speed. Okay. Okay, lovely. Good to see that. You're welcome, Akash. You're welcome. Okay, Aditya, you are at depreciation. Good. You can do revision with me. I will be starting it very soon, so you can do revision with me. Okay, but that is wrong na, because as per CBSE it should be MCQ based. स्कूल तो खुल रहे हैं पर थर्ड वेव ऑफ कोरोना आ रही है, ये सोच के स्कूल जाने में डर भी लग रहा है कि फिर से बंद ना हो जाए. यस, बट रिस्क है तो इश्क है. सो जितने दिन भी स्कूल जाओ, एंजॉय इट, बिकॉज पता नहीं फिर से स्कूल बंद हो जाने के बाद टाइम मिलेगा स्कूल जाने का या नहीं मिलेगा, क्योंकि थर्ड वेव आ गई तो बहुत टाइम लगेगा. तो जितने दिन भी स्कूल जाओ, एंजॉय इट टू द फुलेस्ट. नाउ इफ यू गाइज वांट टू अटेंड मोर सच क्लासेस विद मी, अगर आपको और ऐसी ढेर सारी क्लासेस मेरे साथ अटेंड करनी है, then you can join my live and interactive course. I am also taking live classes on Vedantu and in Pro Subscription. In that we will be providing you all these benefits. So if you join our live and interactive courses at Vedantu, then you will be getting all these benefits, and along with this you will also get VIP. तो अगर आप हमारे कोर्सेज लेते हैं तो हम आपको गारंटी देते हैं that there will be guaranteed improvement in your marks, there will be guaranteed improvement in your performance, because this year Vedantu is taking the responsibility of yours. तो हम आपकी जिम्मेदारी ले रहे हैं बच्चों. और अगर ऐसा नहीं होता, कोई इम्प्रूवमेंट नहीं होती, then don't worry, because in that case you will get your course fees back. So in case you are not getting, you realize that there is no improvement in my performance after taking these courses, this course is useless, if you think that, then let us know, we will return your entire fees. तो अगर हमारे कोर्सेज लेने के बाद आपके मार्क्स इंप्रूव नहीं होते तो हम गारंटी देते हैं, लिख के देते हैं कि आपकी पूरी फीस वापस कर देंगे. हम स्कूल बोला हमारी मर्जी, तुम्हें देना है तो आ जाना, वरना. That's so rude. Yes, I miss my school time a lot. I wish I could go back to my school days, but time नहीं है ना, मतलब. I wish मेरे पास डोरेमोन वाली टाइम मशीन होती. I wish I could have that anywhere door, तो लाइफ कितनी अमेजिंग होती. But that's something impossible. So in VIP, as we are taking guarantee of yours, as we are taking your responsibility, we need a helping hand, we need a little help from your side also. So we need 75% mandatory attendance, and we need 75% minimum completion of assigned test. So this is what we need from your end. Nancy, I'm really sorry that it's not possible to change the timings, because I am also having classes on Wave on Vedantu. So because of that, my schedule is full packed, full busy. We can't change the timings. So those who want to take Pro Subscription, those who want to join my live and interactive classes, those who want to take live classes daily with me, you have to follow these steps. You have to follow these steps. So go to the link given in the description box. This link is given in the description box. Subscribe to Vedantu Pro and avail 10% discount. Click on this link. When you will click on this link, you will be taken to our website. You will be taken to our website. So from here, you can choose your plan. You can choose your plan, that whether you want to try for 1 month, you want to take the 1 month plan, or you want to take the full year subscription. So it's all up to you that which plan you want to take, the full year plan or the 1 month plan. So 1 month plan is only available for 2610. So 2610, you are getting 4 subject. You are getting all the 4 subject in 2610, and you are also getting VIP. So for one subject, you have to pay only 652 rupees. For one subject, you have to pay only 652 rupees for 1 month. So this is the minimum cost we are providing you. और क्या चाहिए बच्चों? गारंटी भी मिल रही है, VIP भी मिल रहा है, and चारों subjects भी मिल रहे हैं. So those who want to take the pro subscription, go to the description box and take it now, guys. Go and grab this golden opportunity as soon as possible. And if you want to get extra 10% discount, then you all may use my promo code SCPRO. So those who want to get extra 10% discount, go and use my code. Really? नहीं जानती what is बाबू ने थाना थाया? किससे पूछ रहे हो आकाश? बाबू ने थाना थाया या नहीं थाया? सबके बाबू खाना खा लेते हैं, by the way. भूखा कौन रहता है आज के टाइम पे? So, ये हुई ना बात that more than 100 students of Vedantu had qualified NTSC Stage 1, and they have proved it that Vedantu is the new address of toppers. And if you also want to become a topper like them, then we are ready to help you in becoming a topper. So join our live and interactive classes today to become a topper. Now, in next class, we will continue the same chapter, and it will be last class of practical question. It will be last class of this chapter. So, in the next class, this chapter will get over. अगली class में आपका chapter खत्म हो जाएगा. We will do questions starting with unfavorable passbook balance. We will do questions starting with unfavorable passbook balance. So now see you all on Monday at 9 PM. तो अब आप लोगों से मुलाकात होगी Monday, सोमवार रात 9 बजे. Till then, take this, do this, because your action matters a lot. So take the pledge by posting, I pledge to act against COVID-19 and I am a young warrior. So complete these simple steps on your phone to get a certificate. Ma'am, please guide us. We have completed our term 1 revision fully with the counts 2. In term 2, we are done with trial balance and rectification. What should we go ahead? If you have done trial balance and rectification, then you can move ahead with other chapters like financial statement. That is a very important chapter and it will take time too. So do invest your time there in financial statement because it is a very good chapter. Now, if you guys are new to our channel or if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then please take a moment to hit that red icon to subscribe our channel so that you can watch more such live classes with me. And I would be really happy if you will take a moment to like this video and share it. So do hit the thumbs up button below, do like this video and do share this. Now see you all in the next class. So see you all on Monday at 9 PM. Till then, stay home, stay safe and stay healthy. So thank you everyone for watching this session. It was so good to have a session with you and I really enjoy having a class with you because you guys keep on answering the questions. So thank you so much for being participative in the session. Thank you for joining. Now, no Amrita Varshini, I am not ignoring you, bacha. I am not ignoring you. So now see you all in the next class. Till then, bye-bye, good night, have sweet dreams and take care. So bye-bye.